Our aspirations can be summarised threefold really. One is the enhancing the well-being, the prosperity and the mana of our people. That's really the guts of what we're trying to achieve.
So joining up as iwi in a day like this is significant for us all, and I hope it's great for the rangatahi for the future. And we heard it today with the waiata from Ngāti Toa, the kōrero from Taku Pārai about what they lost and how they're bringing it together and being staunch. Āti Awa is the same. So binding us together with the hauroa waka, joining the canoe together would be fantastic for us and for our families.
We're excited to reconnect and formally join together at a governance and an executive and then operating level to ensure that everything we're doing is aligned and aimed at achieving those exact same three goals for not only Ngāti Toa and Āti Awa, but in fact for all of our community members that we have an interest in supporting their journey.